Hi everyone, good evening to my lovely friends. Hope you're doing great. Me, I'm okay by God's grace. Today, this evening, I wanted to show you how I make my salads, whereby most of you, my friends, kept on asking me, Valeria, do for us at least how to make salads. Here, what you will need two cucumber. As you can see, here I have one tomato, and right here I have kidney beans, I have olives, as you can see, and these are sweet corns. So, and inside here I have washed my lettuce thoroughly, and I'm going to drain all the water away such that my salads cannot be watery. Okay? Yeah. That is it. Job done. Our lettuce, okay? So we shall set that aside. I'm going to start with cutting the tomato. Going to cut our lettuce. Done with the cutting. So what next? I'm going to put this olives. You have sweet corns and then kidney beans. Okay. We shall mix. So I will set this aside, and then here I have my olive oil, lemon juice, and then salt. This is what I'm going to make the sauce. Okay, I'll start with the salt. Add 2 spoons of lemon juice. And then 2 spoons of olive oil. Mix well. Then put So friends, our salad is ready. I'm going to transfer from this bowl to this one. This is where I'm going to serve from. Guys, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at it. This is so delicious. Try this at home. You will thank me later. Try to do everything. Every day do a different thing. Serve them with a different thing. Okay? Yeah. This is the reason why my family loves me so much, because I try so hard to make sure that at least I'm creative. I do something different for them every day. Try this and let's be happy together. Thank you so much for watching. For those ones who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share with the friends, and let's grow big together as a family. God bless you so much. In case you have something to say, let me know from the comment section. I'll be able to answer or to reply you where necessary. God bless you. Have a good night. I love you all.